Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is blockchain agency. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is blockchain agency. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website. Marketing agencies should be used in a blockchain technology. When you click this website, the page will be opened of marketing agencies and blockchain technologies. Blockchain is the form of disruptive technologies. They are known to have to enter market quality. It's you the open of door and made the presence known. But while blockchain has been a busy shaking up to your financial sector, with cryptocurrencies that you have to note all you kind and the blockchain have been up to the chain and ladder for your technologies has been proven and incredibly valuable and many industries beyond for the more and well-known used to the cryptocurrencies form of assist management and tracking. To regulatory compliances, blockchain technologies offer to the business and new opportunities and opportunities with its use. While many of these blockchain services are still in their infancy stages, implementing these disruptive technologies into your marketing so that is provide the following values of your business and clients, including increased transparency and your trust, reduced advertising fraud, and increased in the security and privacy. As many people still view blockchain as the esoteric and the core of your technologies, it is becoming increasingly clear and the Web 3.0 will revolutionize at point of your industry. That's why I want to discuss three primary areas, that is blockchain regulations and digital agencies provide the immense of values other business. Blockchain increases transparency and trust. Blockchain and the decentralized technologies that does not relate to the central point of control. Instead, its functionality depends on your senses and you have to network nodes for confirm and prove that this transaction into the chain. With traditional computing system, data is typically stored with the client of server network and released for the central database. Every computation that is action taken feeds into the place and all of your section items and the head of central location. Unfortunately, it is the model of places and a lot of control on the hands and its internet provider and the trusted third party. Blockchain flip up the models and it the hand of hosting transaction block and you have 200 if you have thousands of computers worldwide. Decentralizing is the most of importantly the data entry available for everyone. Point of the verifying on the public ledger with the blockchain. Any changes to the chain with the immutable, stamped, recognized, and exchange and valuable for everyone to going forward it. This technology is very similar to peer-to-peer network work. This is puts the transaction back to the hand of your people and makes data trusted again to the given your audience, more control over the data. So how does the principle transparency for trust apply to the marketing? Simply put, using blockchain for marketing build trust increases transparency. With our client, for example, blockchain show how to can customers to advertising effort or a big business are using for their data. Unfortunately, with centralized client front database, it is nearly impossible to tell what you have to companies throwing to your data, how they have to share it and who. Blockchain reduce the advertising fraud. A study for Forrester and found over 69% of brands that spend over $1 million per month in the ads of reported that there at least 20% of their budget goes to the loss of digital ad fraud. These frauds are seen to have the resulted of corporations searching and a way of preventing digital fraud and brighten for your security measurement. To market it as a fraud of losses companies and have a cut of your budget spending. Significantly on the such companies are Uber, which is cut $100 million and it is spending for a heavy money. However, after a car wash, Uber have no charges for number of the conversation and activities to data side. So how can you avoid the same mistake Uber and the product that it has been spending from fraud? That's how where blockchain comes into again, and once you have to particularly helpful for the blockchain is throughout user verification. Blockchain can be employed for network cut of the middleman and track who's clicking are the interact with your component fraud. Using to the open ladder, blockchain enables to the advertiser and identifying the sources of fraudulent and the wasteful clicks of the blockage for fraudness and widespread agency of issues and wide-scale adoption. For present buyers, blockchain could be thoroughly and scaled for the component issues for process identify fraudulent clicks and traffic for the wasteful spend.